So with time, we are going to realize that our friends that are in the business world out there is a technique that they use called the SWOT analysis that helps them to get to understand, how their business is moving and how they can flourish in those business. So now the SWOT analysis, the acronym that they had to pick on the SWOT analysis, each and every letter there, it represents something. So you find that the S is a representation of some strength, the W there is a representation of weaknesses, the O it's a representation of opportunities, and the T it's a representation of threats. Each and every person's vision, relationship, each and every person's person is supposed to have a SWOT analysis in one way or the other. It's very important. I feel you're supposed to know what are your strengths in that relationship, what are your strengths in that business, what are your strengths in that career, to your vision, what are some of your strengths, what are some of your weaknesses, what are some of the opportunities, what are some of the threats that you can get to encounter. If we don't have the SWOT analysis in some of these areas, chances are very slim that we might make it. Chances are very slim that we may become better and we may flourish in those areas. So I feel it's really important that you create a SWOT analysis to almost everything that really means a lot to you, to everything that you feel that it's of importance and it is of value. So when you see your vision, it is of importance. When you see your relationship, it is of importance. When you see your career, it is of importance. Your gift, it is of importance. You are going to put a SWOT analysis to that area. Now this SWOT analysis, it's going to help you to become effective, because at the same time you are going to know what your strengths are. You're going to write them down and begin to work on them. You are going to know what your weaknesses are. You try by all means to turn your weaknesses into strength. At the same time, you're going to know what your opportunities are. Actually, when you define what your opportunities are, it's going to be very easy in order for you to thrive and to become better. At the same time, you're going to know what your threats are. What is it that is threatening your vision? What is it that is threatening your relationship? What is it that is threatening your business, in order for it not to forge ahead? So the SWOT analysis, it does not just apply in the business sector out there, but it also applies in almost each and every areas of our lives out there. So go and learn something about the SWOT analysis. But from here, I'm encouraging you and I to say the acronym on the SWOT analysis, the abbreviations for each and every letter there, we're supposed to make use of them. Now it is the best time to discover your strength, to discover your weakness, to discover the opportunities in that thing that you're pushing for. At the same time, to know the threats and how you can handle those threats that you can get to encounter. So SWOT analysis is very, very important.